Good morning, children. In the previous class, we finished about your first lesson, healthy life. So today we will going to study your next poem, the first poem, the gymnastic clock. The gymnastic clock, the page number is 16 and 17. So here, before we go to the poem, there is before you read. So there is a poem, short poem by Vlash about the spider game. About the spider game, which is in the last page of your textbook. You can see it around page number 151. So 151, there is a listening text, the spider game. So first we will study this, then we will go through with your poem, the gymnastic clock. The spider game. By J. Walsh. So here he given a game or the activity of the spider which is described in his own language, in a simple language. So let's read that first. The little spider crawled down the wall by using its web so it wouldn't fall, crawled to the bottom and back up again. Then thought to himself, what a fine game. So he called his friends to join the game and they played all day till night time came. And when they had finished, they went off to bed and left all the wall covered over in web. So here he describes about the activity or the work what the spiders do in his day-to-day life. So here a very little spider. So we all know and you all already see how they put a web around your walls at homes and any places which these spiders prepare or make their own web. So it is so artistic by humans. It is not going to possible to make the web like that. Here the small spider crawled down the wall. Crawl, making move upon, move slowly on the wall. Okay, crawl means move slowly. So here the spider moves down the wall by using its web. So it moves down to the wall by using or taking the help of its web, which he has only made it. So this spider is crawling down, means coming down by using the web which he has prepared for his own. So it wouldn't fall, crawl to the bottom and back up again. So it is not going to fall. It is having that much of grip on the wall and it can go very easily up and down. So it can go up and come back again very easily. Then thought to himself, what a fine game. So the spider think of himself that how beautiful this game is, going up, coming down. How beautiful the game is. We can prepare web as well. So he thought to himself. He thinks about himself, about coming up and down and making web is a fine game. So he called his friends to join the game. So here Spider calls all his friends to join this game. So whenever you are also playing, you call your friends to join you. You are not able to play alone, right? So you want all your peer groups to join you and play and enjoy that moment. Like that, here Spider also calls all his friends to join this game. And they played all day till night time came. So all the spiders started to play, going up and coming down. So at that time they are feeling that they are playing a game, but they are preparing the web, right? So all they started to play and they played from morning till night. They went off to bed and left all the wall covered over in web. So all of them at the time they were tired and they went to the bed, but the whole wall is covered up with the web what they have made. So here the poet describes how the creativity or how the spider covered the whole wall with the web by playing a game. So here they have given some of the questions. First one, listen to the piece of text that your teacher reads out to you. So I have already learned or read it off. The next, fill in the blanks with the words you have heard. So now you have to fill the blanks. The little spider crawled down the wall by using its web. So it wouldn't fall. It crawled to the bottom and back up again, then thought to himself, what a fine game. So he called his friends to join the game and they played all day till night time came. And when they had finished, they went off to bed and left all the wall covered over in web. So this is the fill in the blanks. You can fill by seeing the poem in the page number is 151. There is a question at the last. How many words do you remember? So you can obviously remember about web, spider, game, friends. So like that, very commonly used words you can remember. The next, observe the rhyming words. So there is a rhyming scheme, rhyming words in the poem. So you can see them in the poem. Fall, wall, again game, bed, web. So like this you can see the rhyming words in the poem or in a short poem called The Spider Game by J. Walsh. So this is about the pre-reading of the activity of your second poem, the first poem, The Gymnastic Clock. Let's continue with the Gymnastic Clock by M.C. Davies. The Gymnastic Clock by M.C. Davies.